Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Hey! Get the cookie! Get the cookie! Get the cookie! Where's the cookie? I am going to show you guys how to make lobster fried rice. But before that, you guys might wonder, oh, why are you not cooking in your mukbangs anymore? It's because my apartment, the office, contacted me not too long ago and they told me that I'm breaking a lot of laws and breaking a lot of the contract, that I cannot use a stove in the house. Like, I have to only use it in the balcony or in the kitchen. So I just wanted to take this opportunity to like make separate videos if I have to. You know, some of the videos like where the takeout or the recipe is too simple, you know, I'm not gonna upload a separate video showing us how I prepare the food. But videos like this where I made lobster fried rice, yeah, and videos like this where I actually have some kind of recipe, I want to use this opportunity to upload a separate video of how I made the food and how I prepared it. So yeah, I mean, it's actually the apartment contacted me after this one live stream where I was grilling in my room, which I wasn't supposed to, but like it's like the food kind of got caught on fire, so they thought it was, you know, super illegal, which I completely agree. I did break their lease agreement, so yeah, I mean, they said it's so, yeah, so I didn't want to risk just doing another, so I didn't risk any of it anymore, so I'm not going to be cooking in my rooms anymore, right? I mean, it was bound to happen for me, like someone who's been like grilling and like, deep frying stuff in the bedroom ever since I ever started mukbang. So yeah, if I have to cook anything, it's going to be all in the kitchen now. If I have to grill something, I might grill in the patio, not the patio, balcony now. So that is what happened, and the reason why I am not cooking in my videos, in my mukbangs anymore, but I will upload separate videos like this if you guys are wondering why. So yeah, I am going to put on some makeup and I'm going to show you guys how I make the lobster fried rice. I just prepped some green onions and carrot over here. Just gonna get some lobster. It smells a little bit, but look how big these are. Holy shiz. These were $21 per pound. Look how big they are. I'm just going to give them a quick wash with cold water. And this I'm going to just, okay, so one of them I'm going to just steam, and one of them I'm going to chop it into small pieces and cook it and put it into my fried rice. So for this one, I'm going to just, okay, which one is bigger? I'm going to keep the bigger one. Okay. I'm going to just cut these up on the side like that. Just take off this part. Okay. Oh. Cut this. Okay. I mean, I think that's good enough. I think. To take out the meat. Wow, look at this meat coming out. Oh my gosh. Okay, just trying to. Yes.
I love you.
Okay. Wow, look at this meat. Ow! Wow! That's on my face. Holy crap. Okay, I'm going to just give it a quick rinse again. Okay, so we're going to steam this guy for, I don't know, these are pretty big, so maybe 30 minutes or so. 15 on each side. Okay, and right here I'm going to make my fried rice. Actually, I'm going to cut them in small pieces. Here, I'm going to steam the shell too. I'll add it. So I'm going to put a little bit of this olive oil. And then some butter. This is cheese. Oh, dang. If you guys can see, this is my rice, and I try to make it kind of dry because you want to keep your rice a little dry for fried rice. But normally I like my fried rice kind of. Normally I like my rice a little sticky and like super moist, but for fried rice it's a different case. So, ooh, the smell of butter is so amazing. Some onions, and some carrots. Okay, these are looking so good. Look at them. Good. Okay. I'm going to add 2 eggs. This one in the middle. Okay, don't mix it yet. Let it cook for a little bit, and then we're going to mix it so that each ingredient has its own piece instead of blending it together, especially with eggs. Let's add some rice. I really like my fried rice super black peppery, so I want to add a lot of those. And I'm going to season it a little bit more with salt. Okay, voila! I think it's done. Look at this like huge chunk of lobster. I'm so excited. And my lobster is almost ready too. Okay, so I forgot to put green onions in here, so I just threw it back in the pot. Just green onions. And just quickly The reason why I'm adding the green onions last is because I like them really like crispy and fresh. Okay, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's little mini vlog of me preparing my lobster fried rice, and I'll see you guys next time.